Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today because I received this sweet pink package from Pink and Main. I did place an order with them, so I wanted to show you what I hauled from Pink and Main. I absolutely adore this company and you guys know I love their bow dies. And I went ahead and ordered a few more things I wanted to try, so I wanted to share with you. And this is how it comes packaged. Isn't that super cute? I love their sticker. It says special delivery, happy mail, handle with care, admit it, you're already smiling. Love it. So cute. So anyway, I'm gonna open up my package and I'm gonna share with you what I ordered. All right, so there's one little package and look how cute it's packaged. She's got the cute little thank you. I love that. And then this little package right here is all wrapped up super cute. All right, so let's get to the good stuff. You don't even want to open it because it's so cute. You don't want to like tear anything, but I'm gonna go ahead and dig in and show you the goodies that I got. So she always sends a freebie. Oh, this one's cute. And it says, "'Tis the season." And then look at the super cute reindeer. How sweet is that? I love him. How cute. Okay, I'll have to put him on a tag. Adorable. All right, so I wanted to order some of this bling. I had been looking at it on her website and I was like, these just look so pretty. They're called glossy dots and this one's birthday girl and then I got two silver. But oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous, you guys? They're so pretty. I mean, I can't wait to put these on cards and projects. So yes, loving these, and I think they were like only $4 per pack, so a really great price. Gorgeous, loving those. All right, and then I did pick up a couple of dies. You know, I had to get some dies. I did pick up this one. I had been eyeing this one. I had saw a project by Jennifer McGuire using this heart puzzle die, and I just knew that I wanted to try it. So I went ahead and picked it up. It had been on my wish list and it's called the Heart Puzzle Die. And so I cannot wait to play with this and make a project. There was a lot of great ideas that I had saw using this die, so that's why I picked this one up. And then last but not least, I picked up the Cloudy Frames die set and it comes with 4. And I just love the little wavy clouds. I think this is gonna make super cute cards and embellishments. And so that is why I picked up this one. So yeah, Cloudy Frames die. And then what else did I order? I can't even remember what else I ordered. I think I ordered some ink. Let me open it up so I can show you guys. She has it packed up so nicely. Oh yeah, I ordered the 2 little mini inks. I just wanted to try this ink. I figured, you know, since it's a stamp company, I'd go ahead and try out the ink. So I got the red stop sign, and then this one is called Cobblestone. And I mainly got it because I figured I could probably use this for Christmas cards. So I'll try these out and let you guys know. I've never used this ink before, but I'm gonna give it a shot. So that is my quick haul for you today. Thanks for watching. Of course, leave me a comment and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.